Hi all! In this video we are going to learn about how to create React app. I am Priyanka and welcome to the channel Coding Leader. To set up development environment we need Node.js and npm install globally. We will need to have Node version greater than or equal to 8.10 on your local development machine, but it is not required on the server. Let's start. I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. Let's open the folder where you want to create your new React app. To run the command, open the terminal. To create a new app, we are choosing npx. To set up Create React App, run the command in the terminal. My app is the name of project. You can change as you want. Create React App is an officially supported way to create single-page React application. It offers a modern build setup with no configuration. It will create a live development server, use Webpack to automatically compile React, JSX and ES6, auto-prefix CSS files, and use ESLint to test and warn about mistakes in the code. You do not need to install or configure tools like Webpack or Babel. They are pre-configured and hidden so that you can focus on the code. Now press the enter. The installation has started. Now we have to wait till installation finished. You can see the installation has finished and the My App folder is created. It contains all these files. Now move to the newly created directory My App. Use the command cd My App. Now we are inside this folder My App. To run this project, run the command npm start. It runs the app in development mode. It opens at localhost :3000. You can see the result. Now as said, edit src/app.js and save to reload. Let's make some changes. Under src folder, there is app.js. I'm doing some changes. Now save the file. See the result. If you make changes to the code, the page will automatically reload. And here it is showing my first React app. Now let's summarize the command which we have used. npx create React app My app, cd My app, and npm start. Hey, congratulations! Your first React app is ready and you know how to create React app. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.